Hello, everyone. It's Makeda Markets here. Wanted to bring you guys this video. It's been long awaited. Hopefully by now you've heard of Chat GPT. If not, this video is going to introduce you to it. Chat GPT is an AI system. Artificial intelligence is taking over the internet, and Chat GPT is one of the first kind of all-inclusive go-to for solutions websites. It's free, and I discovered it about 3 weeks ago, and I just can't get enough of it. So the video took a while because they were able to actually get 1 million subscribers, or users rather, in just 5 days. And they actually, what do they do? They had halted our previous inquiries. So what I want to show you today is some ways that you can make money with Chat GPT, some of the things that it's useful for. First and foremost, you know that hopefully you're subscribed to my channel, and you know that I am a Builderall ambassador. So when I got Chat GPT, the first thing that I did was ask it what Builderall is. But as I said, one of the things that you want to do with it is find out how you can make money with it, of course. Here you can see it's going to be something that's going to change the game for content creation, because it gives you so much ideas. All you have to do is provide it with a prompt. So here it is. As I said, I asked it what Builderall was. It gave me a concise answer. I asked for some article ideas for Builderall, and it gave me 7 really good ones. A beginner's guide to Builderall, 10 ways to use Builderall for your business, pros and cons of using Builderall, case studies of businesses using Builderall, a comparison of Builderall with other digital marketing platforms, tips and best practices for Builderall, and of course, review of Builderall. These are all great ideas for you to create a blog, be it a blog article about Builderall. And one of the cool things about it is that it actually can create the article for you. So here I'm going to ask it, create an article. Create an article on so as you can see, I put in the prompt and Chat GPT just goes to work. Of course, we know the advantages of having your own blog. Gives you an opportunity for you to market the world market just about anything through affiliate links and advertising, Google Ads, Google ad platform and stuff like that. Another website that you can go to. So the website is moneypantry.com/get paid not that, get paid to write. Here is a article that includes 101 ways to get paid per blog post. So this is a good website for you to go to, so that if you don't want to bother with creating your own blog. And it doesn't end there. They have 101 websites that you can go to where you actually get paid a pretty good amount for a post. So all you'd have to do is ask ChatGPT to create a post for you, depending on the prompts for the different websites. So that you definitely want to check that out. It's a good way to earn a quick couple $100. The next one is Text Broker. Textbroker.com actually pays you per word to write content. So here we go. I write content. You write for Textbroker. It's free of charge. And they pay you per word. So a lot of affiliate marketers I've seen have talked about this website as a potential side hustle for you, where you can dictate how much, dictate essay of how much ever words. Imagine now going to Chat GPT and asking for it to write you whatever content that you want, submitting it to Textbroker, and you have the opportunity for to write content and get paid per word for words that you're not even writing. Okay, so there's another excellent way for you to make money with Textbroker. And then here's what is another game changer: is Chat GPT actually becomes smarter depending on what information you feed it. So if you were to, for example, here you can see, where is it? Email. Just give me a second. I'm looking for. Very strange. I don't see it at the moment, but one of the things that I hate on the job search is having to think up a thank you letter or cover letter or resume. Chat GPT can help you with all three of those. And remembering that we're talking about how we want to make money with Chat GPT, now you can become a resume writer, a cover letter writer, and or not too many people will pay you for a thank you letter, but I'm sure there are people out there that are too lazy to do it on their own. First and foremost is you're going to just give me a few seconds. Here we are. Feed it your resume. So here you can see I've fed it my resume. And it gives me a prompt. You know, it looks like you have a diverse work history with experience in the financial and real estate industry, as well as in quality assurance and customer service. Your roles have included loan officer, small business agent, small business loan agent, blah, 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 blah. Is there anything you would like to know about your professional experience? Here is a good opportunity for you to prompt it to write you SEO optimized about me for something like LinkedIn. That's a great way for you to be using it. But I have here, create a cover letter for the customer service specialist position. And here it wrote me a cover letter. So it literally does it in a few seconds rather. And here you can go on to places like Fiverr, Upwork, Conquers, and provide the gig of writing your cover letter or resume for a stranger that doesn't know how to do it themselves. So ChatGPT makes that super easy. And here's where one of the things that I'm going to do is get to new chat. And one of the easiest things that you can do with ChatGPT is plain out ask it. Chat. What? Some. Chat. And as you can see, within a few seconds, it's giving you a few ideas that you can go ahead and get some ideas off of how to make money off of ChatGPT. So here we go. It's telling you that you can create and sell chatbot applications. So of course, you know that Builderall has a chatbot creator. Now, what I've already done while it's developing that, I can show you Builderall earning potential. I asked it, here is I asked it, sorry, just give me 1 second. Create a chatbot to educate someone on what Builderall is and its earning potential. And it actually gave me the prompts right here. So all I'd have to do is literally just copy and paste this into a chatbot. And now I have a comprehensive chatbot, which, you know, you can sell for thousands of dollars to small businesses. I have a conversation generated here. Go back to make money with Chat GPT. So providing language-based services, you can use Chat GPT to provide language-based services, such as content generation. It can help you write tweets. It can help you write, give you scripts for your TikTok videos, for your YouTube videos, and all of this within a couple of seconds. It tells you building and monetizing language models, so you can use Chat GPT to train large language models and then monetize access to the model by offering it as an API or allowing others to use it for research or commercial purposes. So that's a little technical, but one thing that I do know that I've seen on YouTube is somebody using Chat GPT to create a Google Chrome extension. So they had an idea for a Google Chrome extension, and Chat GPT will actually write the programming language for you. So of course you don't need to know how. That can be a good way to build a brand. And also you can of course sell the Google Chrome extension and make some money off of that. You can of course become a virtual assistant for personal and business use, generate automated responses for customer service, and of course, as I said, social media management. We'll reiterate again that you can use it to create tweets, to create Facebook posts. The sky is the limit with Chat GPT, and it's only one of several AIs that are becoming more popular, coming to the market and allowing you to utilize it to do all the work for you. So if you have any ideas that I haven't mentioned, I would love if you drop a comment. And if you found this video useful, just let me know. Thank you.